This is looking Toyota Box Plus. Today we have a 2007 Toyota Prado, stock number 6160. It's ran from 11th 2006 to the 10th 2009. It has a 1kd 3-litre turbo diesel engine backed by 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the 1kd 3-litre turbo diesel engine. The front headlight needs polish. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,